Hi guys, welcome to another video. We've just had an order for a Ferrari Daytona centre console. That's a fiberglass part that then gets trimmed and fitted into the car. We've got a mould of an original so we can make those in-house. Lorenzo's in there at the moment, putting that together. We'll have a look at that and I'm going to talk you through the process as he works. So to start with, Lorenzo's cleaning the mould. Lorenzo's now cutting out the glass matting for this piece. There's 6 pieces in total to make up 2 layers. And then he's going to apply a PVA barrier that will stop the fiberglass sticking to the mould. Next, he's got to weigh out the resin. We're now using a new resin which is made using recycled plastic bottles instead of putting new plastic into the resin every time. He'll then add in the catalyst, mix that together, and then he lays that onto the glass matting, and then he rolls the glass sheets flat, which then gets laid into the mould. And then after all that, he gets the paintbrush and he just knocks all the air bubbles out to the edges so that there's no air bubbles left in the mould. When this is dried, and we'll pop that out of the mould, cut the edges off and we'll show you the finished piece. So you've just seen the sequence of Lorenzo making this panel, popping it out of the mould and doing most of the cleanup. There's a few little bits left to do. Those will get done just before it gets wrapped off and sent off to the customer. Once he receives it, this needs some foam popping on it and then it gets trimmed in leather, and your handbrake gaiter gets screwed in here. Your ashtray, cigarette lighter, window switches are all there, ready to drop those components in. The finish on this, we didn't need to get it 100% perfect because of that foam covering that goes on here. And this part here was covered up because not all of the Daytonas have a radio fitted, so we'll leave that up to the customer to cut that hole for the radio they're fitting to the car. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, watching us make this Daytona centre console in fiberglass. If you're enjoying these manufacturing videos, drop a comment below if there's something else you'd like to see us make. Please give it a like, think about sharing it and subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.